runtii dhibaatooyin badan waan soo aragnay laakiin imika waqtigan aan ku jirno aad baan u fiicannahay waddankaygii baan joognaa.
You've been through a lot of hardship, but I hope there are brighter days ahead. And thank you so much for allowing us to do this for you. We continue to help. We will continue to support you throughout this process, the short term as well as the long term, through our voluntary humanitarian return program. And we'd like to thank the federal government of Somalia as well as the generous support of the EU delegation for making this possible. So thank you and welcome home.